guys, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to do the annual benchmark test comparison between the iQOO Z3 versus the iQOO Z5 device. Finally friends, I did receive the iQOO Z5, which a lot of you are actually waiting for this kind of review. Let's see what will be the annual benchmark score. Snapdragon 768G versus Snapdragon 778G. LPDDR4 RAM type versus LPDDR5 RAM type. UFS storage 2.2 versus UFS storage 3.1. In each and every category, the iQOO Z5 is really top notch. That's what. Let's see how much difference can it be there between the annual benchmark score. That's what I'm going to exactly compare between this both phones. So all the background applications are completely clean between both devices, as you can clearly see here. And I'm trying to use the extended range capabilities during this process of testing. So I thought of showing you exactly between both phones. So both phones I'm trying to use extended range capabilities. That's enabled at this moment. And all the apps are completely clean. So including the settings application, nothing is running. Let me try to do the annual benchmark test, and before that, let's check the temperatures. What is the temperature? 32.4 and 33.6, slightly a little bit high. Not an issue. So let's open the annual benchmark application. And I'm trying to use the same kind of 9.1.7 only in terms of the annual benchmark version between both phones. So let's see friends, how much the temperatures can actually increase and how much difference can it be there between these both phones. So that's another interesting question, because a lot of users are actually planning to buy the iQOO Z3, but they are actually looking for the iQOO Z5 as well to spend some extra money. Is it worth or not? So that's what I'm going to do my research on this iQOO Z5, and I'll try to do in-depth testing as well. So I can be back after some time, so then we can actually understand what is happening with the temperatures. My room temperature is 29.9 degrees. It's very hot outside today, so that's the reason very high. No AC, no cooler in my room. Again, I'll be back after some time. So as you can see friends, the annual benchmark test has been successfully finished between both phones, and here is the score exactly we got. So 4,40,000 in the iQOO Z3 versus 5,56,000 in the iQOO Z5 device with the Snapdragon 778G processor. So there's a difference of close to, I think, 1,10,000 kind of difference is there between these both phones exactly. You can clearly see. And in terms of the CPU and the GPU, you can clearly see the score is really good. So 162 and 165, it's remaining very consistent in the CPU and the GPU. And the temperature, it did not increase much. Only 2 degrees got increased, friends. Not bad. So very low temperatures detected. So this is the kind of thing which I thought of comparing between both phones in terms of the benchmark wise. So you get a clear idea what is happening between these both devices. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to comment below what are other videos you want me to compare between these both phones. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.